Hello and welcome to another Quattro Tech Cars video. Today we have this 67 plate VW Passat Estate R-Line. It looks fantastic in this rare manganese grey with all of the R-Line accents, including the side skirts, rear bumper and the front splitter. You've also got the R-Line specific wheels as well. And this car has some lovely factory options. It's powered by the 2 litre 190 PS TDI diesel engine and driven by the DSG automatic gearbox. Okay, so here we are around at the boot of the Passat. As you can see, there's a huge amount of load space, a really practical size estates these cars. We've got 2 ISOFIX anchoring points on the rear seats. We've also got 12-volt power socket to charge any ancillaries and manual rear seat releases to push the rear seats forward without having to go into the interior. We've also got a space saver spare wheel underneath the boot floor. And what's really nice about this one is that you have the electric tailgate as well. So if we press that, the tailgate comes down really nicely. You've also got front and rear parking sensors as standard, which are integrated into the bumper there, so you can hardly see them, which is really nice. We've got some LED interior light strips on the door cards, the contrast stitching, and then the R-Line half leather, half cloth interior. This is specific to the R-Line. It looks really, really nice, that contrast between the black and the grey. The interior is in very good condition in this car. No rips, tears, stains or any odours. We've got 3-zone climate control as well, so the passengers can change the temperature. And if we look up to the roof, we've actually got that fantastic panoramic sliding sunroof. Another thing that you notice that the R-Lines have the black headlining as well, just giving that car that sort of, more of a sporty feel. Coming round to the front, again, we've got some more LED lighting, that lovely contrast stitching. We've got folding mirrors as standard, half electric, half manual front driver's seat. So you've got the ergo comfort adjustment of the lumbar adjustment and the lumbar angle as well. And then height and forward backwards are manual. We've got that very high quality R-Line embossing going on in the front seats there as well. Heading into the driver's seat, we've got, we'll just turn the side lights on. We've got automatic headlights with daytime running lights and front and rear fog lights. We've also got a flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel, again with more R-Line logos there, and the contrast stitching looks really, really good and really lovely to use as well when you're driving along. So we've got a number of trip computer and virtual cockpit controls on the right hand side, and then we've got adaptive cruise control mainly on the left hand side with the volume just there. You can see the VW virtual cockpit just here. Really, really clear, very easy to use. You can change a number of different information to give you more information on the range, consumption, trip and things like that. You can also go through the assist systems as well. So this car has the driver assistance pack, which is really nice. So you have lane assist, side assist, the rear traffic alert and the front assist as well. And the side assist you can tell by, if we look over to the passenger side, you might be able to see there's a small black plastic bit on the inside of the mirror. I'll show you here as well. So that bit just in there. So that gives you pre-warning of vehicles coming up on the lane beside you. Really, really good feature. Along with that, you also get high beam assist. So the main beams will dip and they'll rise automatically as they detect vehicles in the distance. And there is also the option of the App Connect on here as well. So if you want, you can plug your phone in via USB and it will get either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto up. So it'll actually mirror your device's operating system up on the screen there. So you can take advantage of things like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Siri, Hey Google, or even music apps like Spotify and Tidal and things like that. So it really changes the way that the screen works. As standard, these things are so good. This is the updated screen as well, which makes a big difference. So we've got the standard factory navigation just there. We've got DAB, FM and AM radio. A number of different media sources, including aux, USB, Bluetooth, SD and CD. So the SD and CD are located in the glove box. So you can connect your phone wirelessly as well. And you can also connect it via the Bluetooth to make and receive calls. When you plug your phone in to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it overrides all of that and uses your phone and your phone's data, which is a good little fact to know. So we've got the main menu just here. So everything's really easy to use, very intuitive. So you've got the App Connect just there. We've also got the various different driving modes. So we've got Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual. These will change things including the weight and feel of the steering, the throttle response and the way the car changes gears as well. If I just try and go into reverse here, we can see the rear parking sensors and the front parking sensors as well. So they've got those lines going in, which give you a good observation of obstacles that you're coming up to. And just down here, we've got the dual zone climate control in the front and the air conditioning. And then the DSG box with the ignition on off button. We've got the mode button over there, the start stop and the traction control as well. So you've also got sport and manual modes with the DSG gearbox, so you have the paddles on the steering wheel. And then finally we come to the electromechanical parking brake, hill hold assist and the 12-volt socket. So hill hold assist is a really good feature. If you're on an inclined junction, you don't have to keep flipping this up and pushing it down. If you've got that activated, it'll basically act like an automatic handbrake, which sounds strange, but it works really, really well. So as you can see, the car's been kept in very good condition indeed. We'll also be carrying out its next service. These things just look absolutely stunning in this grey. You don't see this colour often at all, and we think it's one of the best that they do. All QuattroTech cars come with 6-month warranty, including 6 months roadside assistance, an MOT upon arrival, and a comprehensive mechanical check. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us so we can explain how we're currently facilitating safe, socially distanced and contactless test drives and appointments. Thank you very much.